So what we got here is the Amazon tactical pen here. As you can see, comes in a nice box, high quality. For the price, you can't really go wrong. Compared to the $70 or $80 that you'll see on certain websites, Amazon offered this for $15. So here we are. Comes with the batteries, the ink, pen, everything you need to get it going right off the bat. A lot of these you have to buy the batteries separately. So it's kind of nice that they added it in here. Let's take this out and get a good weight here. It's got a good weight to it. You know? So here we are at the top here. We got a light. It's actually pretty bright there, as you can see. Let's look in the box. Alright, so and then we're supposed to be able to take this apart, but first of all we got the glass breaker tip there. You can see. Pretty good. It's got a good weight, good grip on there. Really get this in there. Break some glass. Let's open this up here. There's supposed to be some extra tools inside. Alright, so there's our pen portion there. So here's the first thing. We got a flathead screwdriver there. Got a little hex screw. I don't know what that's supposed to be right there, but a little serrated edge. Of course, you got the can opener, bottle opener there. Let's see what else we can go in with this. I think that might be it. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, so there's for the pen there. So all in all, pretty nice little setup there for 15 bucks. It's got a lot of good weight to it. Extra batteries, extra ink. You can't beat that. Let's see how the writing is on here. Oh, very smooth. Alright. And this is the well, it looks like we can unscrew this part back here. I'm pretty sure this is where the batteries go in. Yep. So, got that. Nice little pocket clip there. Just got the two screws. So all in all, not bad for 15 bucks. Amazon tactical pen there. They came in a couple of different color options. Black, silver, and this gunmetal. Alright.